Hello viewers and welcome to Paul's Train Vlogs. I'm Paul White. I just would like a quick chat to you guys today about some pretty exciting changes coming in 2019 on Paul's Train Vlogs. As some of you may notice that those who regularly watch my videos may notice the main title card featuring my existing logo at the start of a video. That logo will still be in effect throughout the remainder of 2018. However, commencing in 2019, early January, Paul's Train Vlogs is going to start the new year off with a brand new logo that looks like this. It is beautifully designed by Alan Fisher from AV484 Channel. I'd like to say thank you to Alan from AV484 Channel for the inspiration to my new logo. Please leave a comment in the comment section below if you like the brand new logo. So anyway viewers, that's all I had to show you guys. So pretty exciting changes coming in 2019 with Paul's Train Vlogs launching a new logo. It will come into effect on new business cards and future episodes starting in 2019. Anyway viewers, time now to wrap up the vlog. Please subscribe to Paul's Train Vlogs. Please feel free to like and favourite my videos, and also don't forget to click on the notification bell at the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Thank you for watching Paul's Train Vlogs, and I will see you in the next episode. Until next time, it's goodbye for now.